Hey guys and everyone, so today I hope you are doing well. I guess that in this video episode we will continue our theme about website builder service, and I've just prepared for you a new reviewing video. In general, I want to tell you what is actually Squarespace is, how you can work with this website builder service, how you can work directly with the editor, and actually the main general features. So watch this video till the end. I do hope that it will be useful for you. Of course, I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your personal opinion about my videos because I'm not a professional at this field, but I want to share with you my practice, my knowledges. So let's move on, and of course, I'm waiting for your likes. So, talking about Squarespace, I can tell you that, and I guess you have heard about this service. This is a well-known product, website builder service, and maybe one of the best. I would say that this is an old constructor with a long history of development, with a good budget, advertising, with the participation of show business stars, but it's worth to start to work with this website builder service because it saves your personal time. It's not so difficult, I assure you, and I will tell you. So basically, here you can start your journey in creation of your personal website. Squarespace offers numerous useful tools for building attractive, functional web pages, websites for a personal or a small business use. So you may try this opportunity, and I'm gonna tell you how you can do this in general. I would say that we have right here types of subscriptions, I would say. So we have per month $12. This will be the first plan. The second plan is $18 per month, and the third one is about 96, I guess. So talking about the templates right here, we have gorgeous templates, modern, up to date, and Squarespace provides us these templates. So let's check them. Here we can find the template that we would like to work directly with this one. So by the way, I forgot to tell you that we have right here many categories to just select, to observe what we have from online store till weddings, real estate, properties. So basically you can create even a personal website. Just represent yourself in personal and CV, or for example, you a musician, for example, or a photographer, so you can create your personal site right here. Or you have a shop, for example, and you want to sell your goods and products. So let's start to check, and let's check for example this template. So let's check the preview. And by the way, we have cool things right here in Squarespace because we have 3 versions of the adapted design. So basically the design right here of these templates is adapted. It's for desktop version, is for the desktop, and for your mobile devices. So right now we see on our desktop the desktop version basically. So that will be for the tablet, and we can see that right here. So these 2 quarters they basically are shorter, and the last one for mobile devices, so it's small and thin, I would say. So let's start from this design, and we will work directly with the editor. So basically this is the editor, and here is the bottom of editing directly our template. But before doing this, I would love to tell you that right here we have the main menu sections, I would say. So starting from the pages, we can this is the main navigation. Of course we have main settings, and we can just to see what we got right here and to change it. So we have SEO analytics, general tools. So basically you can, you know, work with this one. You can add some links, you can delete some links, or just you can add some pages, add your blog, add your portfolio, add the other links. So basically this section is responsible for this for these things. Design. So basically design, we have many other sections and categories, so we can play with the bottoms, with image blocks. By the way, we have fonts right here. Remember that here we can change fonts, but when we start editing the editor, there we only play I would say with the location. Yep, you know, it looks like a WordPress, I would say. So colors, we can edit the colors, for example, to add it and to see what will be better to add to the other stuff. So it looks in this way, and that is how we can play with this. So basically that is how you can change your personal color palette, and that is just clicking directly to the bottom, saving your settings. So here we have marketing, commerce, and I would say, you know, talking about the marketing, here we get it. So we have mail campaign, SEO, location management. We can create some announcement bars, pop-ups. Basically, it is possible to launch email advertising, you know, campaigns, automated mailings according to pre-prepared letter layouts and scripts. So you can create as many letters as you like. So there is a protection from subscriber spam, of course, and statistics on mailings, drafts, and even useful articles on composing such letters. However, it's all in English, you have to know about it, yeah. And of course, Squarespace Analytics, you know, section is very powerful, multi-level. It includes statistics on sales, traffic, geography, and we can observe it right here. This is the section of analytics. So basically we can observe what's going on with our website, yep, about the traffic, visitors, product sales, abandoned carts, information about traffic sources, you know, triggered some things, sales, queries. So the system also generates reports on the activity of visitors and the degree of popularity and efficiency of the forms posted on the site, content, source queries, and everything else that affects the success of the project. Basically right now, right here we have a 0, of course, because it's not my website. We're just observing the template and the editor, and I guess that this is the main information and the general information I would love to tell you at this video episode. Here we have section of help, of course. Here we have knowledge base and videos, I mean workshops, tutorial, the other tutorial videos, some webinars, basically how the material that will help you to edit and create your personal website just in 15 minutes, I would say. And let's start our editing. And the extra information, I forgot to tell you that here Squarespace has the app, and with this Squarespace app you can even edit your website directly from your phone. It's really cool feature because, you know, you hand on your arm mobile devices almost of your time, yeah, but laptop, you know, it's just the other thing. We're working with the laptop, but unfortunately we don't have the opportunity when we have something wrong, for example, and we should immediately something change. Laptop maybe not be with you, but your phone is always with you, so successfully you can work with this app and you can publish blog posts, update your business hours, or add, for example, some announcement bars, you know, and don't worry about if you lost your internet, because all the job will be offline, you know, and any unfinished work will still be waiting for you in offline, but when you will have your connection, so everything you may change, you know, and you may continue to create your posts or change your settings. So right now we have this template, yeah. And what I can say about this template, basically we have many sections right here, yep. And you know, this is not drag and drop editor. Actually, this is editor. We are working with this editor directly with this section, yep. And you know, I've told you that it looks like WordPress for me. But and of course you don't have many variants like in Wix service, you know, because in Wix you have many cool tools, many cool features, many images, but you know, sometimes it's confusing me. And recently I'm working with this service because, you know, I have the other opportunity just not to think too much what I need, what image I have to choose. And right here is where I have, for example, several 8-10 choices, and it's not confusing me, so it's easier and better in this way, in this time of period, for me work with the Squarespace. So here we have a header. Almost each of my tutorial video actually with the Squarespace, I show you that we start our work with the editor from the header, and basically clicking directly to the bottom, we can upload the logo, we can change some elements or add some elements such as buttons, for example, or just social links, yeah, or the other things. We can change the colors, let it be, it may be transparent, or it may be in other colors, and let's check what colors we get. So it may be the white minimal. So that is what I told you about. So we have basically 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically we have 10 choices, variants. So it's not as much as in Wix, for example. So it's not confusing me, and just from this small list of the headers, design of these headers, I just pick up the one that I like the most. So let it be in white way. This one is calm, you know. So basically that is how you can work. Okay, by the way, between two sections we have bottom of add section. So we can add the other section, and it shows us what we can add. Gallery, lists, tags, it may be quotes, let it be tags in this way, yeah. And we have this tags right here. So I don't want to change this tags, I just want to show you how it will look like. Or you can see that it's not fit your needs and it's not good for this template. You don't see your website at this point. So here directly we have garbage bin design, so delete, and yeah, and continue. Or we can add a section right here. So basically that is how you can work. Clicking directly to the element, to the text, we can change the position of the text. We can change it into the second heading, how the view, how it will look like. Yeah, we can change it into the paragraph. So basically I prefer, for me, the paragraph, and it may be bold. Yeah, so the fonts are in the main menu, which I've shown you, which was on the left side, and the section was responsible for fonts. So that is actually, you can make it medium, you can make it large, yeah, you can make it in the size small. So basically that is, you're playing with the location. Yep. Okay, the next what we got right here, we have image and the same added section. So basically this section is responsible for not responsible. We have settings and all the same. About the location, we can change background colors and other things. And of course, clicking directly to this image, we can change this image into the another one, or we can change the design, or we can create the animation. Yep, so that is, and of course we have right here the image editor. So it basically you can edit your personal picture, like the image for the Instagram, you know. So basically that is how you can work with this editor, I would say. And save all the settings. Okay, the next, what we have bottoms. So the bottoms, we got what, save, of course. Yeah, so of course the URL, adding the size, would it be small, medium, large, what do you want, how you see it, the other sections. So basically that is how you can work with this template, I would say. So in my personal opinion, I can say that Squarespace interface is stylish, and I've shown you that it's attractive. It operates at a medium speed, unfortunately, yes, and has an equally medium level of ergonomics. For me, that's my opinion, and I guess you will also see it. So there are a lot of animation, graphic tools. You can edit pictures. So basically you can work with the Squarespace in a calm way. Yep. And of course, for my personal opinion, you know, Squarespace is intuitive. It has intuitive visual page editor. Similar in structure is found in many other systems, and generally accepted principles are used here. So the main work right here, this is the main work area, this is the editor. And I guess that this is the end of our video episode, of this review and video episode. I was trying to show you in general features, how you can work with Squarespace, and right here you can make your personal decision, will be this service better for you or not, or maybe you will stay with the other website builder service. But please write me with which website builder service you will stay, you will be working, continue your work, or maybe you will try the Squarespace. So I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your comments, and I guess that we will see each other in another video episode as usual about the other website builder service. And I wish you good luck, good mood, brilliant mood, and see ya. Thank you for your attention, and bye.